Welcome to Beautyistic, where we always strive to bring you honest, insightful beauty reviews. Today, we're talking about something that promises to take your at-home blowouts to the next level: the Conair 2-in-1 Hot Air Curling Combo. If you're looking to add some volume, defined curls, or even refresh your hair between washes, this tool could be the answer you're looking for. So let's dive into how it really performs. The Conair 2-in-1 Hot Air Styler Blow Dryer Brush Set comes with two interchangeable barrels, a 1-inch aluminum barrel brush and a 1.5-inch brush. The 1-inch brush is designed to give you more defined curls, while the 1.5-inch barrel is perfect for those larger, voluminous curls. The idea here is to help you both dry and style your hair simultaneously, saving time and effort on busy mornings. From the moment I plugged it in, I was impressed with how easy it was to use. The tool has a nice weight to it, which gives it a solid feel, and the cool tip ensures that you can hold it comfortably while styling without worrying about burns. The on-off switch is intuitive, and I love that it has a tangle-free swivel cord. This makes styling your hair a much more ergonomic experience, especially if you like to move around or adjust your positioning mid-style. I tested this out with damp hair, and let me tell you, it works like a charm. The combination of the nylon bristles and the aluminum barrel creates just the right amount of tension to shape your hair as it dries. I started with the 1-inch barrel for defined curls, and my hair turned out bouncy with a slight wave to it. Not too tight, but still enough to make a statement. Switching to the 1.5-inch barrel gave me fuller, more voluminous waves, and I was surprised at how quickly it dried my hair. Considering it's technically a blow dryer brush, not just a styling tool. But like any product, there are a few things to consider. While the dual voltage feature is fantastic for travel, I did find that the heat isn't as intense as some other blow dryers I've used. So if you have thick, coarse hair like mine, you might need to pass over sections a few times for a fully dry and styled look. It's definitely not as powerful as a traditional blow dryer, but for those of you looking for a lightweight, multitasking tool that can dry and style at the same time, it does the job well. Now let's break it down. Pros: the dual barrel system is great for both tight and voluminous curls. The cool tip is perfect for comfort and safety during styling. Swivel cord eliminates tangles and adds to the overall convenience. Dual voltage is excellent for travel. The design is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. Cons: the heat output might not be strong enough for thick, coarse hair. It may take a bit longer to fully dry your hair if it's very damp. Not as powerful as some traditional blow dryers. When it comes to value for money, the Conair 2-in-1 Hot Air Curling Combo offers a good balance. While it's not the most high-end styling tool, it certainly provides decent quality for its price, especially if you're looking for something that can save you time by drying and styling your hair at once. You're getting two brushes in one, which is a great deal for those who like versatility. If you're working with a smaller budget and need something functional for everyday styling, it's a solid option. There are, of course, other blow dryer brushes out there, but many of them come at a higher price point. If you're looking for something in a similar category, but at a higher power output, tools from brands like Revlon or Drybar are known for their more robust performance, though you'll likely pay more for that. The Conair, however, offers the kind of budget-friendly option that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Build quality is solid, especially considering the price. The plastic body feels durable enough, and the bristles are well-constructed pieces, but it's not the most premium-feeling tool on the market. As for longevity, it's too early to tell how well it'll last in the long term, but it's definitely a product that feels built for regular daily use. If you're someone who likes a high-end experience or needs intense heat to manage thick or long hair, there might be alternatives that better suit your needs. But for those who just want an easy, budget-friendly way to add curls or volume to your hair on the go, the Conair 2-in-1 Hot Air Curling Combo could be a perfect addition to your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I always love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.